Are you bored of the same plain white cursor on your Windows 11 PC? Want something more stylish, maybe colorful, or even animated? In this video, I'll show you how to completely change your mouse cursor in just a few minutes. No complicated steps, no extra software. Let's get started. First, we have to download a small cursor pack that we want to apply. For that, you have to click on the first link in the description. That'll take you to a website like this. You'll see a ton of custom cursors, different colors, shapes, even animated ones. You can also explore different categories. Scroll through and pick any style you like. For me, I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen your cursor, hit download and download it to your PC. A zip file will start downloading. Wait until it finishes. When download finishes, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you saved it. Right-click and extract the archive. Now, open New Folder. Then open Windows folder. Inside, look for a file called install.inf. Right-click it and click Install. A couple of prompts will pop up. Just choose the cursor you want from the list. Then click OK. And boom, your new cursor is already applied. But if later you want to switch to a different cursor, or even go back to the default one, here's how. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Mouse, and then Additional Mouse Settings. In the new window, click on the Pointers tab. From there, you can pick any installed cursor scheme you like. Hit Apply and you're good to go. Now, instead of the boring default cursor, you've got something that actually feels fun and personal. That's it. Super quick and easy. Try it out and let me know which cursor style you picked, and I'll see you in the next video.